What's going on, guys? Man, it's been a hot weekend, hot couple days. It's been in the 90s. They broke records. Man, a little too hot for my liking, so hopefully we're going a little further north next week. But we're hanging out in Havasu all week. I have no clue what to do all week. But I did see a place called Castle Rock, which is down by the water, so we're gonna go drive down there and check it out. Come along. What do you think, Uma? You want to go check it out? Castle Rock Bay. Let's go. All right, got to get the beauty drone shot, of course. Come on, Uma. I don't know how far it is to Castle Rock from here, but let's go check it out. Okay, cameraman, stay off to the left. This is so cool. Come on, Uma. So yeah, I've never been down to this area. I've been to Havasu for years. It'd be a cool place to check out. I thought it was going to be too windy to film. It was really windy in town. It seems a lot better here. It looked like there was only one other car here. It's all good. I assume this is the Castle Rock beside us here. I guess. Oh, I see the water now. All right. So nice to see water after being in the desert all this time. Man, I can't wait to go back to BC and have trees and grass and water everywhere. I love BC. It'd be so good to be back. What do you think, Uma? It's water. Can't see me in the shadow. Can't see you, I mean. What do you think, Uma? Look, there's water. Definitely not as cool looking that I saw in the pictures. But maybe it's up here around the corner. I don't know. Let's go find out. Damn, just like that, we're back to the parking lot already. That was a quick little trip. I guess we're back to Craggy Wash. Oh well, Uma got a nice walk out of it. Got to smell a bunch of critters. There are a bunch of lizards around the campsite that she loves chasing. Come on, babe. Alright, I guess we'll see you back at camp. Out here, the desert reveals nothing. Miles of rock, wind, heat, silence. And then, Uma barks, tail pointed forward, locked in. I see nothing, just cliffs, just stone. But Uma sees it. There they are, balanced on a ledge that feels unnecessary, unaware that they're currently the main characters. Down in the wash, someone whispers, "Where? I don't see it." Uma does. Of course she does. Out here, there are two kinds of creatures. Those built for the cliffs, and those who need a dog to point them out. Desert Bighorn Sheep, masters of elevation. Spotted first by Uma. Well, those mountain sheep were pretty cool, but I was just in here checking my water levels since I haven't dumped in like 10 days now, and I hit the button and it's showing empty. I'm like, it can't be empty. I was just at 2/3 the other day. So I found out that the wire came loose on the fresh water tank. I've had to fix that same wire before. I got a terminal connector from Owen across the street. Shout out to Owen. Thanks so much. So yeah, it's going to be a nice, quick, and easy repair. I thought I was going to have to go to Home Depot. Convenient that there is a Home Depot here. But yeah, quick and easy fix that I don't have to go anywhere. Nice. All right, so here's the problem. The wire came off again. The last time I just fixed it, I just wrapped the wire around the screw. So this time I have an actual terminal connector. I'm going to be able to crimp onto the wire and screw it on there, which will be the way it should have been fixed the first time, but I didn't have one of these. All right, there we go. We got it back in the way it should have been fixed. So let's go inside and test it out. I love quick 5-minute fixes like this. And is it gonna work? Do. Yay, it works. Nice. All right, I guess it's time to take Miss Uma for a walk this morning. You ready to go for a walk, baby? You wanna go for a walk? Did all my laundry and stuff this morning so I could get to the state park for lunch. And of course I get there and the lady says that we're not allowed to check in until 1 p.m. Gotta make it fair for everybody, blah, blah, blah. So yeah, I'm just in a freaking parking lot right now, putting my laundry away and waiting to go to the state park. I want to get there in time for so I can have lunch and take Uma down to the water and go swimming and stuff. Not me swimming, it's probably too cold, but Uma wants to go swimming since she hasn't seen much water all winter. So yeah, that's where we're at, just waiting to get to the state park. Guess we'll see you there. All right, well, we made it to Havasu State Park. It's after 1 o'clock, obviously. Jeez, rules, gotta hate them sometimes. But yeah, it's just gonna be windy as heck. We're just in an asphalt parking lot. We're in the overflow camping. I figure why not? It's only $25 a night and it costs $20 to dump, and I had to dump anyway. So I'm just gonna stay here for 2 nights. And then Dave and I are gonna decide where to go after this. Dave's been here all week. He's right, it's windy out here. He's right behind me, right over there. I wasn't lucky enough to get a water site, but at least I got one close to the water anyway. And there are showers here and stuff. So yeah, I already dumped, I got water, still full of propane, and it's all good. It's gonna be windy, I think I said that already. So it is what it is. Good place to hunker down in the wind for a couple days. Better than being at Craggy Wash, where it's just gonna be a dust storm over there. So yeah, this is a place, free showers, free dump. I like it. I think it's close to some restaurants too, so we might even go out. I don't know. We shall see. Good girl. Alrighty guys, that's all I got for you this week. Hope you enjoyed my week in Lake Havasu. And on Sunday, I think we're heading up to Nevada area. Maybe Lake Mead, maybe Vegas. I don't know yet. Check in next week and find out. If you guys haven't subscribed already, really appreciate it if you do. And we'll see you guys next time. Take care, guys.